Hello everyone, welcome back to Team Auto Trend channel. Are you an owner of a truck, bus or pickup truck from Tata Motors commercial vehicles? If you are, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Usually with the purchase of any brand new vehicle, the responsibility of servicing and maintaining that vehicle also comes along with it. Now if that new vehicle is going to be a two-wheeler or a car, then it's not going to be an issue. But if it is a large commercial vehicle or a truck, it is going to be a bit of a worry, right? Especially because this commercial vehicle is directly linked to your business and profits. Furthermore, if you have multiple commercial vehicles, then that worry and responsibility is going to be multiplied as well. Now to reduce your pressure, tension and responsibilities, Tata Motors commercial vehicles have the AMC program. For all the existing and new customers, Tata Motors commercial vehicles are providing the Tata Suraksha comprehensive annual maintenance contract for the vehicle service and maintenance. This AMC program can be purchased from any nearby Tata Motors commercial vehicles dealer, which can be properly utilized with trained technicians at any authorized Tata Motors commercial vehicle service center across the country. Purchasing this AMC plan is also very easy as they are provided with flexible payment options. Now there are more than 1,600 authorized service centers for Tata Motors commercial vehicles, and at these genuine authorized service centers alone, you may find finest quality service and maintenance. This AMC plan also includes genuine quality parts from Tata Motors. Now the flexible payment options for this AMC plan includes monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly installment payments, and the payment can also be done using ECS or post-dated check. Now let's talk about the benefits of this AMC plan. As I already said, when you purchase a new commercial vehicle, the responsibility of maintaining that vehicle also comes along with it. The main aim of this AMC plan is to reduce that stress so that the business owner can focus more on the business and get better profits. Tata Motors commercial vehicles also provide flexible AMC plans depending upon the vehicle type of business, and business hours or days. Moreover, this AMC program also aims to provide a hassle-free, cashless service along with proper timely reminders. That said, the biggest advantage of the AMC plan is that even though there is an increase in price of the lubricants or parts, you don't need to worry about the price fluctuation as you have already paid the AMC including the prices. And since your vehicle is covered under the AMC program, the aggregate life of your commercial vehicle is going to be much better by drastically reducing the possibilities of a breakdown. Now, if you are planning to resell your commercial vehicle, at that point of time also, the AMC is going to be very helpful since your vehicle will have a proper service history record at only authorized service centers. The quality of the vehicle will also be better, fetching you a better price. Another good part of this AMC plan is that the labor charge along with miscellaneous expenses will also be included in the AMC package. Now let's talk about the inclusions in the Platinum AMC package. This Platinum AMC package includes scheduled service, oil changing for the engine, gearbox, rear axle, power steering, clutch and brakes, minor adjustments and checking and repairing of minor wear and tear parts including clutch, brake shoe, brake lining, timing belt, fan belt and bearing, servicing of injectors, urea pump assembly, DEF filter replacement, and the servicing of electrical items including alternator, starter motor, wiper motor, and other sensors, apart from highway service, roadside breakdown assistance, and washing of the vehicle. This AMC package also has some exclusions. Now the things that are not included into this Platinum AMC package are diesel emission fluid, chassis frame, telematics, fifth wheel coupling, lift axle, CNG gas cylinders, hydraulic tank, accident repair, tires, tubes, load body, trailer, along with interior parts including seats, dashboard, and door locks. Apart from that, battery, shock absorbers, spring bush, shackles, spring leaves, sheet metal, glass wiper arm blades, fuel tank, air tank, silencer, muffler, coolant tank, wheel rims, rear axle housing, front axle beam, coolant oil leakage, diesel emission fluid, exhaust system assembly, SCR module, coolant tanks, AC system, steering system, wheel alignment. These are also not included into this AMC package. Moreover, any unauthorized modifications not approved by Tata Motors are also not included in this AMC package. Then the damages occurred due to a large accident, riots, and natural calamities are also not included in this AMC package. As I already said, every type of vehicle has got its own different AMC package. For example, for large HCV cargo vehicles, The AMC package is available for 6 years or 6 lakh kilometers. For tippers, it is 15,000 hours or 6 years. For ILMCV cargo vehicles, 5 years or 5 lakh kilometers. And for tippers, 10,000 hours or 5 years. For buses, MCV and ILCV, 4 years or 4 lakh kilometers. For the Tata Winger, it is 3 years or 3 lakh kilometers. For SCV passenger vehicles, 3 years or 1.5 lakh kilometers, and for SCV cargo vehicles, it is for 2 years or 72,000 kilometers. Finally, for pickup trucks, the AMC is available for 3 years or 3 lakh kilometers. Now, if you are willing to purchase this AMC package or you have any doubts regarding this AMC package, you can contact the toll-free helpline number on the screen, and the mail ID is also provided along with that. So folks, that was all the details regarding the AMC package from Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles. Simply speaking, if you purchase this AMC package for your commercial vehicle, then you will not have the need to get worried regarding the service and maintenance. Now do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this AMC package for Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.